In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass delete emails on Gmail, a task many of us find necessary as our inboxes grow cluttered over time. Whether you're looking to start fresh or just want to get rid of old newsletters, learning how to delete multiple emails at once will save you significant time and energy. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open Gmail and navigate to the specific label or folder where your targeted emails are located. This might be your inbox, promotions, or any other category where emails tend to pile up. Going to the right place is crucial, as Gmail organizes messages in these folders for a reason, ensuring you target the correct set of emails. Once you're in the desired section, look towards the top of your message list. Here you'll find a small checkbox. Clicking this checkbox will select all the visible emails on the page, and this is just the starting point of your email cleansing journey. It's normal for Gmail to only display a limited number of emails per page, often 50, as a way to manage browser performance. But don't worry, you can expand this selection to include all the emails in that category. After checking the initial box, you'll notice a link that appears above your list of messages. This link usually reads something like, "Select all conversations in current view." By clicking this link, you'll extend your selection beyond just those visible on the first page. This is Gmail's way of asking if you'd like to include every single email in that folder or label in your current action. Clicking this is essential if you want to make a significant dent in your email count, rather than only dealing with the first few dozen. Now, with your emails all selected, you're almost set to perform the mass deletion. Usually, there's a small icon resembling a trash bin towards the top of the Gmail interface. This is the delete button. By clicking it, you command Gmail to move all those selected emails to the trash. However, do note that moving emails to the trash doesn't free up space instantly. Emails in the trash folder will automatically be deleted forever after 30 days, or you can choose to empty the trash yourself for immediate results. It's also a good practice to pause and reassess before emptying your trash. Ensure you aren't deleting anything you'll regret losing. If you make a mistake, you have a 30-day window to recover your deleted emails from the trash. That's why it's always wise to double-check everything before making that final deletion. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to mass delete emails on Gmail, helping you keep your inbox organized and manageable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.